Hello, friends. Welcome to today's meditation for hope and love during uncertain times. This guided class is perfect for anyone who is thinking and caring for a loved one who is unwell. Perhaps you know someone who is in the process of healing. Maybe it's an animal, a friend, a family member. Whatever your situation may be, let us use this opportunity to collectively raise our vibrational frequencies and send offerings of peace and love out into the universe. When you're ready, afford yourself a moment to find a comfortable space, perhaps seated, standing, or lying down. Allow yourself to settle in as you begin to find comfort. Mindfully tuning into the breath. You might like to find a soft gaze or close the eyes. Gradually inhaling and exhaling. Peacefully detaching from the physical environment. Tuning in to your innate state of well-being. And from this place of trust and clarity, begin to envision a tranquil environment, one that fosters feelings of love, of happiness, of joy. Perhaps this is an environment that you are familiar with. It might be a natural setting out in the wilderness, or perhaps somewhere closer to home. Maybe you'd like to invent a scenario. Tuning into the sensations of this newfound space, the temperature of the air, noticing the lighting, what time of day it is. Can you hear any sounds? Can you feel any vibrations? Once you have created a visualization of harmony, begin to call in an image of a loved one or whomever it is that you would like to send a blessing. Envision them here in this peaceful abode, surrounded by an abundance of loving compassion. Maybe you would like to offer them a blessing. Send them kind words. Hold their hand. Offer them the warmth of a touch, a smile. Allow yourself to feel the radiance being in their presence as you send them unconditional love and hope. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Recognizing that you can extend warmth beyond the dimension of physical contact. Knowing that your presence in this moment, as you show up, lovingly, unconditionally, is a powerful offering. A powerful expression of your luminosity. For the next few minutes, you might choose to rest in stillness, tuning into the subtleties of the breath. Or you might like to hold this image, this visualization of your loved one deep within. Maybe offering your loved one a mantra or an affirmation, and whatever it is that you decide on. Allow yourself to be peaceful. Relax as you let go. Slowly tuning in to the breath, mindfully becoming aware of the present space, of your connection and significance to this moment. Recognizing that your efforts and intentions have not only illumined your own soul and heart, but have now been extended into the ether towards your loved ones. May you rest easy and peacefully, knowing that you have offered your love. I invite you to stay here for as long as you like, tuning into the soft melodies of the breath. And when you're ready, beginning to invite small movements into the body, and maybe blinking the eyes opened. Thank you all so much for collectively coming together to raise your vibration and to send love and compassion and hope out into the universe. May you experience true peace and joy. Namaste.